So I think my favorite part of software development and software development consulting is just the wide variety of projects that we're able to work on. Just from my experience, I've done multiple mobile both hybrid and native applications. I've worked with CIOs, CEOs, CTOs on understanding their business needs and how to take those needs and fulfill them through the technology that we're able to provide them. I've worked with companies that are global across every country that exists with that at least that allows us to access their AWS environment, as well as some pop shops that are here in the El Paso Las Cruces region. And it's just so fun to be able to work with different scopes of projects, different types of projects. Worked in logistics, worked with commercial real estate. Just the wealth of knowledge that all these individuals bring to the table, that we're able to let their expertise and bring our expertise of software development and applied technology to that. That's really one of my favorite things about software development, is solving those hard problems for people that know what they want but don't know exactly how to get there. That's one of my favorite things to do, is help them think through how to get there with technology.